Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Among Us. We're going to be playing with random, so kind of bad at it. But still, I'm going to be at 2000 IQ. I don't know what I'm doing. Turn it on. No, I don't want to join a server. Let's hope we can join a good lobby. Everything is full apparently. What? Oh god. Okay guys, I found the lobby. Okay guys, I found a random lobby. What's going on? Okay, I'll take it. I'd actually want to be crewmate, but I'll take it. Doesn't look like... I forgot I'm an imposter. I'm gonna rush the lecture. I'm just being out of two characters. Let's kill the light. Kill him. Let's pretend we're walking out of Med Bay. Because we're gonna do this. Someone found the body. Let's say we're first. Tip. I just walked in Med Bay doing sample. Green or something. Why is this? Skip no hard proof yet. White sus quiet. I guess it's tight. This is working out. Okay. Two imposters remain. Forget imposters. It's imposters. No, I don't have it. I haven't unlocked it. Oh, I already did my electrical tests. Has slice that pickle. Close those doors. I shouldn't have done that. Why did you lock doors when you react? When I did many phones. Okay, I think I got away with it. To vote. I have major bond. I have asked. I'm just lagging right now. I don't know why. I can't tell my ping. I think we should. Line. What about a bloody line? A voting line. I don't know. Oh, they're just voting out an innocent pickled jelly bean devil thing. I was not an imposter. Noise name. Let's go. Two. Okay, kind of feel bad. GG. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on. I know how class I am on winter break. I hope you guys are staying safe. Because, I hope you guys are staying safe. Happy holidays, you know. And this. It'll be nice. I've been recording for about 6 minutes now. I have no tests in here. At least I have 2 visual tests. I saw the Among Us. So, if you click it, do it super fast. I do not know my grammar. New friends doing download and communication. Do I really want to go to electrical? Okay, it doesn't look like I'm not going to do any of the long tasks. And then it's just walking into electrical. I'm exiting. I know I have 2 more tasks. So I have... Ooh, resetting. Cool. Mine vented. I think lime, purple did meeting. I think lime, purple did meeting. It's lime laughing out loud. Lime, then purple. I know he's not even because you pressed the button because you thought I would snitch. Yellow was there. Green was fine. That means it must be pink. Line first. Line first. Pink. Cool. Quiet. Pink quiet. Maybe pink. Why? Oh, I think pink's AFK. That leaves yellow then. Yes! What if he threw out his own crow? I don't want to get slaughtered. Yellow, oddly suspicious. Run. Okay, I'm gonna do my other tasks. Purple, please save me. No, I knew it. Alright, let's just finish our tasks. That's the goal. I never leave games when I die. I always, always, always do my tasks. No! 100 IQ. 100 IQ play. I do. Hope you guys are staying safe. Like, it's really been hard, especially for me. See you in heaven. Oh, I think you meant heaven. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Wait, hang on.